In this video, we're going to be talking about chaining comparison operators. This is going to be a real short video, just going over how you can potentially simplify some code if you ever run into this situation. Or maybe you're looking at somebody else's code and you're wondering, oh, I didn't know that you could do that. So that's what we're going to talk about in this one. So inside Visual Studio Code here, I'm going to go ahead and show you our file folder setup, Python lessons chaining comparisons.py. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and collapse this, but chaining comparison operators is a way to compare multiple items at once and a way to simplify your code if you want to do so. Again, both ways that we're going to show you and how to do this would be fine. However, it's going to be your preference on which one you'd like to use. So what do we mean? Let's go ahead and take an age of, we'll say, 22. And we want to have an age range is if the age range is between 18 and 65. Let's go ahead and print something to the console. So we're going to say if the age is greater than 18 and the age is less than 65, go ahead and print this to the console. So if we evaluate this as is, 22 is between 18 and 65, and we can go ahead and save that and run it, and it works just fine. Again, this way is perfectly fine. However, if you are looking at chaining some comparisons, if you remember in math class, if we were to simply take the following example here and say if 18 is less than the age, but also less than 65. So, we're just saying, hey, is the age is it in between these two ranges here? Again, this is perfect syntax, and just to demonstrate that we can print something that corresponds with that if statement, we'll go ahead and I'll move this down, or I'll just copy this real quick just so I can select it. But if I go ahead and highlight this, save it, run it, you are between the ages of 8 and 65 years old. So again, I just wanted to point that out to you in case you do see it. You are able to write it in code just like this. Other languages, you'll have to typically use this. However, in Python, they do allow you to chain these or combine the two into one for the comparison to do its test. All right, so we'll see you in the next video.